opportunity for OEMs to benefit from machine as a service is dramatic. Especially for those OEMs that have the resources, the infrastructure, the strength of organization to provide true value to their end user customers. All too often today, though, you're in a competitive market where any machine builder from anywhere can claim to have a machine that can run at 400 a minute or 1200 a minute or whatever the on paper specification is. But great machine builders know it takes more than just a machine that hypothetically can do that for a moment in time. To achieve real results for your end user customers, you need to develop awesome machinery and have awesome support capability, excellent technicians, a great parts department, and the ability to provide all the service that machine is going to need over its life cycle. Unfortunately today, OEMs are really getting beat up on the upfront price of the machine as a comparison to any other organization, and that total cost of ownership gets lost. And we think the best OEMs in the world will understand that by linking their service capability and their delivery capability, not just at the time they deliver the asset, but throughout that asset's useful life cycle, are going to put themselves in a position to gain more customers and to do so at a higher profit margin because they are really contributing to the success and taking part in the success that they're helping their customers achieve. And for end users, we think it's a no-brainer. Gone are the days where the end user takes all the risk and ultimately, has to make a perfect decision every time.